Hi guys, I've adventure side again. I just want to get the Kiddie by the track modes on my camcorder this time. So we're gonna get, I believe, Thomas first. So we're gonna get any track modes that come along today. We're probably going to get Thomas first. Some of my favourite Kiddie rides on the way. Somehow this didn't happen to me last week on Sunday when the last one turned on, apparently. It doesn't have the track modes. It just went to look at ages, apparently. I am still waiting. Alright, let's see if Troy has it. Come on Thomas, where's your trap mode? I'm still waiting. Oh, it's just going off. There we go. It's just went off. Yeah, I can hear Don't Say Love. Yeah, I apologise, I think it's a bit loud. Not much I can do about it. There we go, let's try the track mode. I'll be quite annoying thing. There goes Thomas. There we go. That's which almost done, I'm telling you. We've got Bear. This does look cool in the dark actually. But this doesn't have a track mode to be honest. So I got my headphones in a way. And my phone. So yeah. Yeah, no drumming on that as well. Along with Van Laurie. No, I don't think so. Still. I just want to have a look. So yeah. We've got Sweet Donut here. I still hate that ride. Just to let you know. But let's try mode. Let's have a look at Magic Castle, shall we? So yeah. Get the drummer for it, if it has one. I'm going to put the camera down here, I've got a speaker. My lock is going off. I just had line with the trap mode. I will get to that one next. I don't want to have rocket. I'm worried about the missing one actually. I think we're going to go back to the trap mode, by the way. I might not hear it that well. There's a bit of music in the background. That's just when we carry on. We are paid. I thought there is next to Spider Stopper actually. Interesting. A bunny cot. Between those. Moon, where's your trap mode? That's the same thing I said to Thomas and Troy. So where is it? I need to know. This thing where this is in the dark actually. This is going off. No. Speaker. What's going off? Let's get Pep Rocket, shall we? Please notice, I know I heard the tremor from lightning, but I just want to get Pep Rocket to trap mode. But I don't feel this much confidence, to be honest. If you ask me.
All aboard for a trip to the moon!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go on, have a go. Children using this ride should be supervised by a parent or guardian. Hello, would you like to have a go? Go on, try it. This ride will accept 10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2 coins in any order. Change is not given.
Just noticed. Apparently, let's just put the camera down here. Somehow this is a bit loose. I don't know why. It's waking up on the track mode. It takes about 3 minutes. I don't think this will go for about 2 minutes, I'm hoping. By the way, I always like to do this in quiet. By the way, when there's no people here. As always. Especially when Junebug is closed. I don't know, I didn't want to let it actually off. I'll have to come back later. See if they're actually on. After this, I might go on one of the scoop, maybe. As always. I always like that, actually. I don't think they might be on when I film the camera on this. I'm not sure. It takes a little bit of time for some reason. I'm not going to care if the lights are on, to be honest. I'm not sure who's going to care about that if I'm being honest with you. Yo, this is a Mother's Day special today. This is Mother's Day. No! Pop the filter. There we go. Yeah, that was all the Kiddie Rider trap modes. I just recorded all the Kiddie Rider trap modes for the Kiddie Rider adventure inside. But the lights are actually off, so yeah.